Hi guys, welcome to my lab. Today I will show you the different parts of a ceiling fan. I have already separated all the parts of the fan. If you love my video, please like it and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Let's switch on. This is the blade of the fan. Sweep of the fan is 56 inch or 1400 millimeter. These two holes for mounting the blade on the rotor part of the fan like this using this screw and washer. You can see the screw and washer, and this is the upper part of the rotor and made by cast iron, and you can see there are 6 numbers of holes here for mounting the blades, and these holes for holding the bearing like this. This is the bearing you can see, and this is the cover of the bearing. This is the top cover and this screw hold the cover, and this is the bottom cover of the bearing, and this is the screw, and you can see there are 3 numbers of hole which mount the upper part of the rotor with the bottom part of the rotor like this. This is the lower part of the rotor. You can see this is made from aluminium, and this is the bearing which rotate the fan, and this is the spring on which the stator rests on the rotor. This is the stator part of the fan, and you can see thin laminations used for making this core, and the winding terminals coming out from the hole like this, and there are 3 numbers of terminal, red, orange and yellow, and the connection is shown in figure like this. And there are 2 types of winding. This is running winding and this is starting winding. Outer side winding is the starting winding and inner side winding is the running winding, and it rests in position in the rotor like this, and the rotor with blade move like this. This is the rotor core, and the core is made with silicon steel thin laminations. You can see the laminations of the core, and these are the skewed aluminium bar, and this is the aluminium end rings connect the aluminium bar. This fitted in the rotor like this and rest in this position. This is the bearing and fitted in the middle position of the rotor like this. This is the stator part, and there is a few millimeter gap. You can see the few millimeter gap to prevent the leakage flux, and the rotor moves like it. This is the connecting rod which connect the main fan body with the ceiling. These terminals coming out from this bar, and there are 2 holes. You can see 2 holes are used to fit the main stator with the bar. These are the 2 holes, and like this these bars are fitted. This is the capacitor made by Tipcon and used for starting of the fan. This is the oil filled non-PCB type capacitor, and capacitance is 2.25 MFD. This is the capacitor holder which hold the capacitor like this, and there are 5 numbers of terminal which connect the main winding with the supply. This is the main holding element which hold the fan with the ceiling, and this is the buffer you can see, and hold like this. This is the main connecting rod which connect the holder and fan body by using these two holes. A nut and bolt is fitted like this. This is the top canopy which covers the connection coming out from the ceiling rows, and this is the connecting rod wires coming out from this hole, and this is the bottom canopy which covers the main capacitor and other connection in the fan like this. There is a screw which holds the canopy with the rod so that it does not touch the rotating part of the fan, and this is the connecting cables which connect the main fan with the ceiling rows, and it enters in the main fan stator using this connector. Thank you.